Adverb clauses are fascinating components of English that add depth and detail to our sentences. Let's dive into the three main types: time, place, and manner. First, let's explore the adverb clause of time. These clauses tell us when an action occurs and are usually introduced by subordinating conjunctions like when, while, after, before, since, until, and as soon as. For example, consider the sentence, "When the rain stopped, we went outside." Here, the clause "when the rain stopped" gives us a clear time frame for the action of going outside. It sets the scene perfectly, allowing us to visualize the moment. Another example could be, "I'll call you after I finish my homework." The clause "after I finish my homework" tells us exactly when the call will happen. Next up is the adverb clause of place. These clauses indicate where an action takes place and are typically introduced by the words where or wherever. For instance, take the sentence, "Wherever you go, I will be there." This not only expresses a promise, but also emphasizes the idea of being present no matter the location. Another example is, "You can find the best coffee where the locals hang out." Here, the clause "where the locals hang out" gives us a specific place that adds context to the statement. Now, let's move on to the adverb clause of manner. These clauses describe how an action is performed and are introduced by as or like. For example, in the sentence, "She ran as if her life depended on it," the clause "as if her life depended on it" vividly illustrates the urgency and intensity of her running. It paints a picture of determination and desperation. Another example could be, "He plays the guitar like a professional." The clause "like a professional" tells us how he plays, suggesting skill and expertise. Understanding these clauses enhances our communication, making our sentences more descriptive and engaging. They allow us to convey not just actions, but the nuances of time, place, and manner in which those actions occur. So, the next time you're crafting a sentence, think about how you can incorporate these adverb clauses to add richness and clarity to your message. Whether you're writing a story, giving a presentation, or just chatting with friends, these structures will elevate your language and help you express yourself more effectively.